Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to develop and improve. Many people are wondering what jobs will be replaced by AI in the coming years. In this video, we'll discuss various jobs that are at risk of being replaced by AI and why. Manufacturing and assembly line workers. AI-powered robots and machines are already actively working on assembly lines and in manufacturing plants. These machines are more efficient and precise than their human counterparts, leading to fewer errors and higher overall productivity. Retail and customer service representatives. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated, capable of handling a wide range of customer inquiries and complaints. As a result, many customer service positions may be replaced by AI solutions, reducing costs for businesses and providing 24/7 service to customers. Data entry and analysis. Data entry and analysis tasks are often repetitive and time-consuming. AI systems can process and analyze vast amounts of data much more quickly and accurately than humans, leading to increased efficiency and reduced need for human data entry specialists. Banking and financial services. AI algorithms are already being used to detect fraudulent transactions, analyze credit risk, and make investment decisions. As AI technology advances, more banking and financial services jobs may be replaced as tasks become automated. Transportation and delivery. Self-driving vehicles and drones are becoming more advanced, making the prospect of AI-powered transportation and delivery services more realistic. As a result, jobs such as truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel may be impacted. Warehousing and inventory management. AI-powered robots are increasingly being used for tasks like picking, packing, and sorting items in warehouses. These machines can work around the clock and do not require breaks, leading to higher efficiency and reduced need for human workers. Agriculture and farming. AI and automation are changing the face of agriculture, with machines capable of planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. This could lead to fewer jobs in farming, but also the potential for increased crop yields and more sustainable farming practices. Fast food and food preparation. AI-driven machines can be programmed to prepare food quickly and accurately. As a result, jobs in fast food and other food preparation may be at risk as businesses look to automate these tasks for cost savings and increased efficiency. Cleaning and maintenance. AI-powered robots and machines can be used for a variety of cleaning and maintenance tasks, such as vacuuming, window washing, and even repairing infrastructure. As these machines become more advanced, they may replace human workers in these fields. Journalism and content creation. AI algorithms can now generate news articles, social media updates, and other types of content. While human journalists and content creators will likely still be needed for in-depth analysis and creative storytelling, jobs in these fields may be impacted as AI becomes more capable. In conclusion, many jobs across various industries are at risk of being replaced by AI as technology continues to advance. It's essential for individuals to stay informed about these changes and adapt by developing skills that are less likely to be replaced by AI, such as critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. By doing so, we can continue to thrive in a world where AI plays an increasingly significant role. While many jobs may be at risk of being replaced by AI, there are still several skills that are less likely to be automated. These include creative thinking and problem solving. AI can perform routine tasks and analyze data, but it may struggle with creative thinking and problem solving skills that require human intuition and insight. Emotional intelligence. Skills such as empathy, communication, and relationship building are essential in many jobs, and are less likely to be replaced by AI in the near future. Critical thinking and decision-making. AI can provide data and insight ultimately up to humans to make the final decisions based on a variety of factors such as ethics, values, and long-term impact. While AI can provide valuable insights, it cannot replicate the human decision-making process that takes into account complex and often subjective considerations. As AI continues to advance, it will become increasingly important for humans to develop critical thinking and decision-making skills to effectively integrate AI into various aspects of our lives.